Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be explaining to you guys how you can delete your Klarna account, so let's get right into it. First of all, and first and foremost, what you're going to need to do to close your Klarna account is make sure that any payments that you have outstanding that you haven't paid yet, that they are paid, and that you don't have any other cards open in Klarna at the time that you wish to delete your account. So first of all, first and foremost, make sure to check that and to make sure that you don't have any financial obligations or financial assets in your Klarna account. Now, once you do that, you can access the Klarna application, and at the bottom you will see the option to remove your stored cards. As you can see here, you need to go to My Klarna and then go to Payment Methods and then remove your stored cards. And what more is that you, after you do everything and once you delete your cards, you need to contact customer service through the app, which is located at the bottom of the My Klarna screen, and through them you can request that your account be closed and deleted, and all personal data be deleted. And once they do that, it might take a day or two, but your Klarna account will be deleted and you won't be able to recover it. You will need to make a new one if you decide to use the application again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.